Good morning, guys. Out here this morning, it's about mid-July, fishing with my little buddy, my grandson, youngest grandson. We'll see if we can put him on a nice fish today. Any fish would be good. Gonna give it a shot. We got 3 lines out on this side. Got perch, cut perch on that side, fillets and a perch head. Over on this side, I've got 3 lines out with cut brim, a head, and 2 fillets. I don't know if you can see the bobber way back there somewhere. That was I won that from Patriot James, Catfishers of America, on his talk show on Wednesday nights. Comes on at 8 o'clock. Y'all check him out. But he's got some nice float bobbers. I'm floating that one about. We got a fish biting right there. Let's see if we can get this fish while we're talking online.
I'm gonna get it for me.
I'm gonna get it as soon as he takes it down good. Here we go.
Fresh fish.
All right, first fish of the morning. Hook between your legs. Don't sit down, just crank. Back up toward the back of the boat. Crank. All right. Put this hand up here. Hold tight, I'm gonna let go. Hold your rod tip up. Dalton got him. First one of the morning. Can't believe we got it live while we, or not live, but while I was talking. I actually turned around and looked, and I thought I saw something on that float back there. Swirled at it anyway, may have been a gar, but I got it. I was saying I got it about 4 foot deep. Just thought I'd try that. I've never done that before, but except for at night one time. You got him, buddy? Pull your rod tip back out from between your legs a little bit. All right. Hold your rod up. Cranking on him. You're gonna get him. Pretty good channel cat, looks like. We'll take him. Get the skunk out of the boat. Keep on coming. A little bit more and I'll put him in the net. All right, lift up on your rod. There, you got him. Huh?
You gonna weigh it?
Yeah, let's show it to the camera and then we'll weigh it. Okay.
That feels heavy.
Pretty big. Pretty good sized channel cat.
What if it be stained?
It's not gonna be. Let's put the rod down. Get back up there where you were. Up here. Hey, he got teat all over me. Crap all over me. All right, Dalton's first channel cat this morning. First fish of the day. Got the skunk out of the boat. Not a bad channel for down here. So let him go. Uh-oh, we're gonna weigh him. We'll get him. All right, fish on number 2. Move back toward the back of the boat a little bit and keep cranking while you're moving. Keep going. Dalton got him. I'm gonna reel this one up out of the way. How's he feel? Heavy. Good. Hold on tight. Don't let my rod go in. What you doing? Pull it, lift up and reel down. Remember what I was telling you? Pull up, crank down, crank. Pull that out from between your legs a little bit. There you go. Now hold tight. Lift up and crank down. Got him, buddy. You don't need my help, do you? Oh, that's a better fish. I believe. All right, let's lift your rod tip up. Yeah, that's a bigger fish. Lift up. Huh? Lift up a little bit more. Oh, a little bit more. Oh, there, Mr. Blue. That's a blue catfish. Hey, look at that. Look at that fish you caught all by yourself. All right, I'll be right back to you, show you what it looks like. There you go. Dalton got him an 8 pounder. A nice bluefish. Did that all by himself. Caught that fish in 27 foot of water on a piece of perch fillet. So he wanted to weigh it. We weighed it. Now we're gonna put it back so it'll grow up and catch it next time when it's bigger. How was that fun? All right, Dalton's on number 3. Get it. Get that big fish. Nice channel kill. We'll just lift him. Oh, quick release. That's okay. We had him there. We're just gonna lift him in the boat. Number 3. Way to go, Dalton. Hey, high five. Good job, huh? Look at that boy handling them 8-foot rods. Big reels. Got the butt of the rod sticking about 1.5 feet between his legs. But it's working for him. Alright, Dalton's on again. See what he comes up with. Okay.
No way.
Ooh, look at that, he fell off in the boat.
Wanna weigh him?
Nah. In here. In here. In front of the camera. Don't got him a small channel. That's about the 5th fish today. We got 1 blue and the rest of them been channel cats. But he's catching fish and having fun, right? You wanna kiss him?
No.
Huh?
No.
Why not? He'll kiss you back.
No.
Okay, we'll put him. Alright, I think this rod might be dragging a small channel. We'll crank down on it and see what we got here. Yep, there's something on here, don't we? He was on there. I don't know if he's still on there now. Can you tell?
It feels like it.
Feels like it? Okay, keep going.
Because it's heavier than that.
Okay, just keep going. And the one you board, the other board you pulled in?
Yes.
I'll tip up. I ain't starting to fight back. Fighting back now, ain't he? Slide that rod out just a little bit. Come on, crank. Got it? There you go. Yeah, remember you're fighting that little fish in that board too. You're doing a fine job. You just keep sliding down on you though, you gotta keep it. You got a little channel can on there. Keep rolling.
That's the fin.
Lost his bait. Put it in the whisker. Alright, that's the last one for the day. That's Dalton's 6 fish today, right? Alright, let's get up there and let's tell them. We've been dragging all day, dragging perch and brim, cut perch, cut brim. Alright, what I was saying was, we've been dragging baits all day long. The channel bite's on evidently because we caught 1 blue today and 5 or 6 channel cats and lost a bunch of little bites. I didn't change hooks. Still using my big 8/0 hooks. Didn't cut the bait size down. But we've had fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, guys, I sure appreciate you watching and
Please subscribe.
God bless you all, guys. Have a great day.